What's up mga kabalbas? It's your boy Big Ben and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we will unbox a Tatak Pinoy sneaker from World Balance, the Invictus Monochrome Beige colorway. So I'm really excited to show you this pair. So hindi ko na patatagalin to. Tara, samahan nyo ako mag-unbox. Tara, let's go! So the much-awaited World Balance Invictus Monochrome collection was released last February 24, 2021, which dropped in black, beige, red, and green colorways. Hype is real because this shoes is definitely a bang for the buck for its SRP of 2,199 pesos or $45 US. So style, affordability, and quality, sobrang panalo nitong pair na to. And sobrang ganda. Actually, last week hindi pa ako makatulog kasi nasukat ko tong sapatos na to sa SM Department Store. And sobrang ganda talaga niya. So hinintay ko lang magsweldo and binalikan ko doon sa SM para i-cap tong pair na to. So hindi naman ako nagsisi and sobrang ganda talaga nitong sapatos na to. So, yun, matagal ko na rin minamata tong Invictus mula nung nakita ko yung collab nila with DJ Big Boy Cheng and Secret Fresh. Yung Invictus B69. And lastly, etong Invictus kasi ay kamukha rin ng Yeezy 500. So, sobrang ganda nitong sapatos na to. So, ipapakita ko na sa inyo kung ano yung nasa loob ng box na to. So as you can see, we have a really nice box here. Medyo may mga konting damage lang siguro due to storage and transport. And I got a size US 12 or Euro 45. A full size up from my usual US 11. Kasi medyo weird yung sizing ng World Balance. So habang binubuksan ko to, shout out sa mga Team Beige dyan. So yun, ito. Ba, sobrang ganda. Amuyin muna natin. Bango. Pero yung amoy niya mas matapang compared dun sa Easy tsaka dun sa mga Jordans na meron ako. So, medyo kakaiba. So, let's get into it. So, discuss na natin yung features nitong World Balance Invictus Monochrome Beige colorway. So this colorway is made up of different materials in different shades of beige. So we have the rubber outsole for grip and traction. Then we have the EVA midsole for comfort, stability, and cushion. And next is the toe guard with a suede accent. And the heel with also a suede accent with the World Balance logo and a pull tab. So for its upper, it's made up of mesh and leather for breathability. And for the tongue, we also have the leather and mesh with a tongue tab with a World Balance logo. So for the laces, we have a round laces. And for the insole, we have the bounce pad insole system for cushioning. Okay? So yun. Diba sobrang ganda ng forma? yan yung sapatos. So here's a closer look at the World Balance Invictus Monochrome in beige colorway. So first time kong gagawin to sa vlog ko. So I will show an on-fit video of this. So this is how I style my Invictus Monochrome in beige colorway. So I just wore it with a light blue shorts and paired it with my Flora Gumamela shirt from Nick Automatic. So sobrang comfy suotin at ipanglakad ng Invictus dahil sa malambot na sole, and lastly, breathable yung upper dahil dun sa kanyang mesh material. So ayun mga kabalbas, what do you think of these shoes? This vlog may be too late, but this pair is definitely worth the hype and worth every peso I spent last week. So let me know in the comment section what colorway you would cop in the Invictus Monochrome collection. And by the way, I will have a 200 pesos giveaway if we reach the 200 subscriber mark. So don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell. So this is Big Ben. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.